guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You say Tobias cash na fake. Why? I it be fake. Who tell you say if you give the cash, they don't they take? Good morning, Mama Augusta. I greet you, ma. Compliment of the season. If you like the good news of this week, spoiler. Tell yourself, say now spoil you the spoiler. As you say you want spoil Vela, I know my you. Shebi today will call. No. It's spoil. Shebi when I bring my house come, I buy my house cash. You say you want spoiler. Don't mind them. Nobody buy house cash. Are you mad? For where? They not the buy house cash. For where? All over the world they buy house cash. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you nene piete? See my house cash. Now you guys are asking. Show your bedroom. If it's short for you, you will take and you show. Show your room. Show your children room.
Still did this house,
show your progress. Show it. Let's see. Show your city room. Just take a picture. Video around. No, you know they do that one. No. But if una go hotel, una go they show hotel una lodge because it's fine. But una no official una house. Now my bedroom now on one constancy. You know they are not get at the sheets for up of una house. At the bath for front of una house. Now there they can't wash my totopo for una house. I don't get. How get? I not go get now for where una dey. No, my house go be like this, but my bedroom go be equity. Now that one cost the una. My no, now they can't tell everyone I know the shit put now buy. They can't sink where you know they put your nyash now buy. Wa tota oni sanwo o je no vo ni sanwo ve o ko happy we ri san ladian we. Okay? Your bedroom get water pump to wash your nyash if you wish to wash your toto. No lekia we no the bath we they always I wash my toto. If for good, but you don't have it. But I have it in my bedroom. If you are in your period, you want to change your pad in the afternoon, you can just take the water, you wash, you clean before you put your pads again and leave them. I put everything. Okay, want to go. Husband, when they try, when no they talk, when don't get time to come they claim glory. Yes, so he want carry me go. I want to go spend cash. Now me, Tell her, show your bedroom fair. Oh, una de here. My fans don't talk and when they enemy and tie away in here now that they control me, they rich. If they not rich, oh yeah, tell your fan, may they buy you bicycle. My fan buy me Range Rover. They say make I not show my bedroom. They say make I not talk wait till I study for school. They say me I not show now. Now fake. They happy. My school na fake. Oh yeah, they happy. Na cleaning job that they go do for them. You don't want like you have believe you. No sense. And they leave her. She's frustrated. I swear, all these sagalists on this blue herb get a very large problem. They get Mona just know. Thank you, mommy. See me, me where God bless. For when they pursue me, they go kill and God come catch me, come bless me. They don't know. Come they pepper them. Nobody use cash. Loleke, I use cash. I'm blessed. I thank my God. Nobody use cash. I use cash. Yesterday, we went to go and buy this, buy that. I use cash. We use cash. Daddy could use cash. No, idiots. We not be Babagida. We not be Prime Minister. We not rich some people. Many people rich past us. But we are comfortable because we plan our life. We just plan it the way we love it. We don't do more than ourselves. Our money, we did not put it in Nigeria. I don't want. I already know where my 20 years will be. I already know. Some people are not sure yet. Maybe they will go, maybe they will not go. Me, I'm sure already because I have many old white people that did not have any other country to travel to. And they enjoy their old age. They know how they fix it. So I've already learned. I know how me also will enjoy here. Can my children now say they are Persian, they are going to Africa? No, is it not here they will live in? Me too, I've blamed myself, blamed my heart, blamed my head. Africa is not there. If Africa is not there, then every single pounds I make in this country, I will use it to wear towards my ending in this country. The reason why we una the fee say abroad go dey very hard. All your hard in money na yama. You they use and build, you are in 50 years, you are still building in Africa, and you think you can make that money back. Okay. Continue. You are in 60 years and you are still impressing somebody in Lagos Island house. All your millions of pounds is there. Making yourself penniless in this place, making yourself million property there that cannot give you a million. A million cannot make you live in Nigeria. 1 million. Can you live 1 million in Nigeria in 1 year? No. That house is that. Can they give you 50 million in a year? No. But if you look the expenses of people living in Nigeria, some of them they use 50 million in a year to live standard life. Okay? So that is the difference. Make up your mind one time. Think about it very, very well. Stop spending your 50 years making money in Nigeria when you never really tell yourself. If you tell yourself, say you go, okay. But if you already know, I will not go. Stop wasting your even the 50 years. When you even that the cool me now. Oh yeah, waste ye can oh we you and go the 60 years. Give me ask what your bobo passion. I got my bonnet is finished. Ebo or Ibo said before the pension. Now that they make all those money where they will come they give una for pension. Those property where they will come they sell they give una money. Now when the pension they make them. Now when it day 30 something 40, then you make that decision. Make your decision on time. Oh. You will don't have to be a prime minister, but you will live where you will live where you will live where you will not live like where Upesio they can't make people feel like getting something of cash 850 pounds is a big deal. No, if you really need it, you get it. You see, you can't put the money inside Pagolo, you can't hide that. If you also get that opportunity where you do work, your money no dey bank. Na inside Pagolo ekeke muyo. Oma nene go nyata mu wa veni go ya e what oma nene go. Mama. Nene go ye me koko de o ye me na ya mie go no kwa ye me go de ye they tell na say you can't save money for inside Pagolo that one na money. No, not be money, na credit be money. Oh yeah, continue. Please fix your life the way you want it. We are Madam Cash. We fix it. We just told ourselves at this point of our life when we get here, it's cash. We don't need anything credit. Because credit you pay interest. So when you have the money to do it, why do you want to go and carry for credit to be paying interest? To pay so small for 2 years, do you think it's free? It's not free. Something that's supposed to end in just which did they call her? 850. In 2 years, you will see that you are paid 2,000 plus. But you go tell yourself, say you suffer the pay on 21. So a lot of people who have money inside house, don't take their money inside house Allow people who get their money for bank, allow them to buy it one time, enter a slowly and start to enjoy it. When I grow, save us, so my energy. Shut up your mouth. To they laugh, to they talk nonsense when they happen. You go carry first. People go talk their own, you can say shame. No, they shame. Half for 15. Now you they say somebody they jealous you for. Now they say now jealousy be one kill you. When you carry my house, say my house is fake. When my house is real. When you carry my house, say it's fake. You carry my kitchen, you say my kitchen not fine rich. Meanwhile, go and look at kitchen where you did for rented property. You couldn't even rent good one. Hello, mommy. Here can not get anyone for us or anymore. That is welcome, Mama. Wrong. Our here can not get anyone for her anymore. That is why you help. Lady, the could they wait for you? And the coast. It's because she was showing them before now. Hey, call Jay. Hey, you see why I am annoyed when you are showing them before. I know, Mama. We know they show they get the one die. The one die now. The one can show us how we'll take snapper. They know they snap. People will go Nigeria. Amami we are like wa. Amami ipaleria. Amami you go with Amami like if you want that. Like a stop back character. Jesus.
Like a wish.
If they pay you they say I pass you now because they know say not true. Easy. If it is your chest. If it is gather fans. Even if they don't feel give you 45 pounds, oh yeah, make they give you some money. Oh yeah, call your husband. Mona go carry. Una friend that they say now only Oyibo the runner.
Oyibo.
Una friend say now only Oyibo the runner. Me and my husband with the runner. We not the Oyibo. We the black. We the Oyibo country. We they use luxury. Okay. Everywhere. Me and you want to see the floor. It's ceramic everywhere.
If Monica wake up in the morning, say he show his face half, you go not say that day, he go roll that day. He won't break sky. I don't know what she see again. Monica, what you see again? Now so, the day I wish they say do something back home. We don't see what the day I wish do go back home. Fake life. They say fake it before you make it. The day I wish can't even go Nigeria. Go they do fake life for Nigeria. The day I wish no see fish show one thing when she do. I beg. We know the now look who come they look. All those one that when time will come, we'll carry on and go Nigeria. All of us, all the live video presenter, we will go Nigeria. If you reach Nigeria, we not go show streets. Now inside compound you go show. Nobody they keep person. They'll say, I never make the same address. If you dey one area, you come for abroad, you they pass that area, they pass that area. No matter how people they watch live video now, they don't see you. Like me now, if I go now, I don't work out for my area. Maybe I do something for my house. Maybe people will come, they will come eat, will come and dance together. Someone will say, sister, not be you they do live video. People must know, no matter how you go follow one street finish, you must see one person when be say, if they look live video, you know everybody when they live video. If they die those states, even Lagos, even all the whole Nigeria safe. Or let's say they not just want talk. Now so, okay, beyond the talk of house. Now wow. Now house, if I don't say anything when I talk, if they come to pass. Now Nigeria house, you know small now, everybody go they bring and come out. Nigeria house. And then I wish that they say, lovely, since you don't want me arrest again, I beg. The money went there with me. I want to use and take go buy land. I said for how many years for Europe? Now you can buy land. Now you dey buy land. Now you dey buy land. If they want talk, they will say land no be investment. Land no be investment. Why land no be investment? Some land dey for beneath there 4 million naira. Can you imagine somebody when be say he buy land for almost 6 years ago, 7 years ago, he buy the land 4 million naira. 4,000 euro. Now he take buy the land 5 years ago. You know, say to change 4,000 euro that time, you not even reach anything. 4,000 euro that time, you not even reach anything. Now 4,000 euro now, can give you 5 million. And if you see her now, you say that one when you buy 1 million that time, now it could be when you buy this thing 4,000 euro that time. Wait, not conscious. Okay, yeah. You are going this way.
I need the black one and
the black. I'm using it. Tell Angela that I'm using it.
Okay.
You know, that's it. To put something for Nigeria, they good though. To put something for Nigeria, they good. You see, when you have investment in Nigeria, even if it's not only land, there is some people that have lands in Nigeria then. When most of them have problem with their document, they sold their land back then. Some of them sold their gold, their Hollandese. They use it to solve problem. A lot of people, like you see some people now, they'll say, and they don't take prison. They don't see money when they want to do this. And not be this one when people they donate now. Not be this one when people they donate. No. Then, who want to give you money? If person say he dey money problem that time, if you want to borrow money for your hand, you know will come with ordinary hand. It must come with Hollandese. If not 3 Hollandese, now you want borrow for your hand that time. You need to they come with you need to if you want borrow money that time. If not 300 euro, now you want borrow that time. If that person they come, they bring up to 4 Hollandese come. Go bring up to 4 Hollandese come. You go put on for that, you give on that 300 euro. Even gold self, some people use gold to do this thing. Some people will talk say investment. No, they not be when Facebook not they give you na money. Facebook. No, you will see on Facebook not they give them money again. Nobody they give them money again. Now they come to shout. But I know understand the motivation. I want to motivate people. You know, motivation. And when they motivate people, Monica say he buy land, he buy house. They say na rent, you rent the house because me see top people say you buy house, you don't buy house with dirty. Now let that one tell them. I say why you go buy house with dirty? Because if you say you get something, I know they argue. I they follow you argue. You know, I know they follow you, they argue. You know, I know they follow you, they argue. Now your whole cup of tea be that. Like me, nothing. I know the jealousy. Like this Monica now, me with her not go do saga, do. I got to say at the jealousy and no, it's not the possible. No, waiting house. Now house for abroad. Now they wanted the jealousy person or somebody come. Only waiting, she waiting be a problem. I tell them say you they arrange something well, so that if you they talk out and people will still believe you. Not be say you all kind of the con like that. Go. Now that one I mean you can take that problem for this social media. When you come to say make callers, make the country insult me. That one, you know. To do something for Nigeria is good. It's good well. It's good. Now there is a lot of people then when they face deportation, things when you quit them do for Nigeria, now most of them say take come back. You know what here? You know, a lot say you may God not let something happen to a person. People will say, I got document. You know, will feel nothing will happen to me again. There is, I don't experience 2 people. These 2 people, when I experience, this will not be say lie. I know that we don't eat together. Even when with the help that they solve the problem, and they participate put. He get one of our friend, that one can't go Nigeria. That one get Italian document. He reach airport. Like that thought say no be your document. Another face come to show. For a document. Play. They don't let him pass. Because of the good friends when he get, wetin we do, we can't go to help am for Komu, report everything, see as everything, and in the system, Now, so that we take do at that time with his best friend, then I be their friend also, all of us be friends together, Then, now, so we take do he can't fit come back again. You think say before that person they come back again, this is an ordinary hand. He have to go outside put, make it know why the toss no be face, no be he face did this thing. But if this woman hold on, now he face, now he dead, but the people, the immigration say no be face. You not waiting for this life, and this life not be waiting. Sometimes people will they quit the hurry, they judge people. I don't experience things like that. I see one of my girlfriends still there. That one of my Benin sister. That one, now this thing reach show. Now this thing reach France. Now France, now they deport am with the document. That one up that hand. Person when get document, they deport am with document. Before you know it, don't see itself for Nigeria. Wait till help that girl come. She dey buy things. She dey buy things. She dey buy especially gold. She dey buy all those things. All those things they help. Investment they help. If guy land. As he dey come, what he do? He sell those things. Before he come, he go here. This one say he go do one. He go here. This one say he go do one. He go here. This one. If now 10 million naira now you owe, before you go call waka see good person, bad people don't already chop half of that money. Bad people they don't already chop half of the money. Now so that my girlfriend, at their house, he just call me. He say, "Oh, your boss say." He just they laugh. He say, "You know waiting where I did." So I go say, "Where you dey?" Say they Nigeria. I go say, "How you dey go? You don't even tell me say they go." He say for where? He say France carry and deport am. We don't know wetin happen. They just carry am pate with Italian document. You don't see people. Some people there and something go just happen to them for no reason. Because they see sometimes they see whole problem. Don't know where for they come. It is Holland is so God though all those things when he sell am, he use and take come back. As they come, he can carry her sister follow body come. It can be double blessing. All those people when they can't talk, if a live video presenter that they advise people sometimes, I'll tell say, no, I don't listen to these people advice. No, and when we talk about property, if they against property, make una not listen to their advice. They are just giving you wrong advice. They will say, later they use this one do. Later they use this one do. When you can't dash them with something, they go grab them. I don't understand. They will grab them. Like Monica now. Monica, you don't say about your house. Your house when you buy. Whether you buy a more, whether you not buy a more, that is if people see the talk say you not buy the house, you not buy the house by this time, it's like that's something still did that person mind. It's like that person really the jealousy where. Like me now, no come out now for house when you don't buy inside early this year. When you say you buy early this year, come reach this time. They say they talk about that house. You know say jealousy, their jealous way it too high. No, you know what? I don't understand. I don't understand. You know people when go they give when go they take advice from our hand. I pray. People when they beg something from Facebook, now people they collect advice from their hand. You guys, are you really serious? Are not serious? Okay, this woman they line. B&B. That is it. That house issue is almost gone. Even person will get jealous herself. You go see get that house for inside that house for mine. Can't read today. Can't see the jealousy put. Yeah, now wow, me I don't understand though. Like others one they'll say, not do something for Africa. If you do something for Africa, when they go Africa, that one a lie, na lie. There is a lot of old women today in Europe. This kind of idea. Those backward idea, now most of them get. We can be say today now, they don't know waiting. They want to use their life do. Then when you see the one when be say yes, they think of their old age. they think of say when time go reach, so things like this go happen. Those are the women when be say they get their own house for Nigeria. Did you know that there is some women, they have 4 flats in Nigeria? All those old school women. That 4 flats now, maybe day one. The 3 now, you know how much you go they give, huh? If not 300,000, a year, now that woman put for each one flat. That woman they get 900,000 a year. That 900,000 go to enter your account. Before 5 years, that woman don't already get money when you go to buy land. You know there is some people when people say they get house. If they don't pay them, it's now you are coming. Go and dry the hair. Oh, yeah, come here. You know, my people, you know, say as my daughter dey here now, me I would dey off this thing. You know, I don't know, say, see the jealousy, I don't understand. How does one when Monica will tell una say not the build house for Nigeria. No, una no mind Monica. The day when Monica will reach Nigeria now, you will see say Monica don't show house. He will just show house. Monica na one kind person. He will just say, I don't fit do anything for Nigeria. I don't fit do anything. The day when you don't reach Nigeria, now you always say Monica just show new house. Monica, you see they advise your people. Well, tell them say to do something both home and abroad is good. Not only abroad alone. Both home and abroad is good. It's good. You know, that's it. No go start. Okay, don't finish. Or lemon. You know, that's it too. Go check another one. Who be this one? Sister Felicia. All of them just did there. Me, I be ready. I want to do her. Once see as I did draw. No one is talking about the house anymore. No, and that keep talking about it because she is on a social pain and there is to be fact that believe her buying a house. Nobody is jealous of. Yeah, you know, yeah, mama, so that is done. Angela, let me just draw the hair. When I finish, you come back. Where is the comb? Where is comb? If I finish, I call you. Remain one. Everything sweet. You will sweet. Yeah, I don't know, because that house, it don't take now. That one almost 1 year something, and they will see the jealous good. For me, if people see they talk about that house, can't see they say that now that house they see they talk, mama, how you look? That means say that person he just get jealousy spirit, you know. Like me, I know I can never jealousy somebody, you know. I don't understand. I don't know how people take the jealousy. Well, there is something, you know. Sometimes when they show all those things, I don't know who that they show. Whether all those people when you enter abroad, whether they show all those things, I don't understand. And the people when the new come, they like lie. You see all these newcomers, they like lie, die. The time when the person say, these people now lie, none of the license, it don't go be that, it don't pass. They don't like lie. Don't know why you people you like lie like this. When you see original, you go don't know original. You go like fake. You like fake. Okay. After that one, they talk about iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhone 15, whether not 15, I'll be waiting. I want call 15 Pro Max. Waiting be phone again. Phone. Wait, be say some people get that phone, they don't show them. People have that for they didn't show it. No, when people, you cannot be fighting, because they use things where you not be say, it don't make sense. Can't use and they fight. You get that to be nice, like it's church play. And some people get that, those people go bring and come and they will use and say do caricature live there. Yes. I don't understand. How come people don't fight? Two friends don't fight. Nobody come on for ground. Wait, make I go from the beginning. Now no say, no check on. At the beginning, we want start. Before I cook this hair finish.
To see my upper half, you pretend. You were pretending. You know what, men, useless women. So you guys are desperate to see my bedroom. Where una no get for una rented apartments. You guys are desperate to see my upper house. My upper house. Una go fair disgrace una set.
Mama, what is the bedroom again? If you see my bedroom, now so if you see bedroom, you know what is the bedroom again? All this luxury life, Now Nigeria is for the sweet, not be abroad, you know. All those houses when you want to use a luxury house. Now Nigeria is for the sweet, not be here, not be abroad. Not the sweet for abroad. Now Nigeria, now those luxury life, they sweet. If you enter compound, you go say, oh, wait till you take do this one. 9 day. And Nigeria, now you know they see people when some people say that they UK there. Some Yoruba people. If you see their house for Lagos, you yourself will say, where you foresee money take do this one. But those people, they are not making noise. Don't they make noise, you know? They are not making noise. Don't make noise, make. Almost how many years now? Now see just they make one noise, just like telling people, now arrive. Now arrive. All the time, same talk, stay talk. Now story, they sweet me for a year. Yeah, so they play.
Say before una go see you know as I take disgrace una. Before una know say my school is free. I disgrace una. It's not easy, but I did.
You see the ghost?
It was free, but una say no be there. I have to be here. I have to suffocate myself. I have to hide and achieve it. Because I know now. So now my upper has the bit una now. Una want see my bit.
Monica, you say you go school. Nah, wow, Monica. Hey, this woman. Which school you go? Auxiliary nurse, like the day now we say he go school. That one I can be the real mugu. When no people read ABCD reach Z. That one costs 1,000. No, I tell the day now which may read ABCD to Z. The day now which no feel read that. She can't tell say she go school, she dey work for hospital. Seriously? Who now they talk to? I just say these people that they hide before they enter Facebook. Because if you know how all this matter, Okay, you see they go school. Now because say the rest people they say that they go school, they not they go, they come they live to their commenter say that they go school. I be nurse, I be this one, I be that one. He got one guy, one Yoruba guy like that. Do you know how many years that guy take go no school? You know how many years language you go first give you barrier. Really no school. If you not go they clear the day now, I will say na school now they go. Just go for the practicing. How to play with Oyibo. Now they do. Now like the one when and they go for a year. Almost is it 4 years ago. If I come there now, I'll come to say, see I dey here, I be nurse for a year. People true believe say lovely na nurse they do for a year. No. And they take care of Oyibo that time. If you read there, you make coffee for them. If you read the time for lunch, they eat lunch. If you read the time, if they eat lunch. If you read the time for breakfast, they eat breakfast. If you read the time for lunch, they eat lunch. Before we come close, now around 4 o'clock, now they come on for that time. We'll come make the last this thing for the coffee. You want drink coffee, go drink coffee. You want drink tea, go drink tea with chocolate. You know? Then if you want, you paint their hand. If they are this thing, the cutters when their hand don't fade out, you clean her, you cut the finger, you paint her, you know. Now there I know say Oyibo, no. Oyibo, come paint their nails. You can't tell them, you can't pass the paint put for ground. You tell them say which color they want inside. They will say now this color now they want. You use them to paint their nails. You know? even to read safe. You know, that's what these people do where they dey, the richest country where they dey, but they'll come Facebook and they tell people for Facebook so that they go school. To acquire nursing school for Europe, can you do it? You go fit? You know, fit do and not be by mouth. These people don't know what it be nurse school. You know, fit. When they write that they deceive people, they too they talk like. I like people when they don't use one thing, when not reach anything, they use and say they talk like. This one say go school. What they say? Now go school, now they for Facebook, they fool myself. Who go school? What did they do for Facebook? You go use your occupation, take work. You go and work with your occupation. You don't stay on Facebook, start lying. You know, stay for Facebook, you start to dey lie. At their school. So I say they go school for Nigeria, they finish. Most of them, they don't even finish secondary school. They don't finish secondary school. I beg. Una not dey motivate. Una talk, una dey talk. They are all talking rubbish. The word when I carry come, when I enter this Facebook, now see they talk English today. I said they are rubbish talker. Now say they talk of house. That house now don't reach how many months? Almost a year. Yeah? That house you should come. Who laugh? Use and laugh. Me now use and say do laugh. Now laugh. Now me use and laugh because no, somebody property don't be my problem. No, that is your property. How can I be sitting on people's property because they take am serious? Huh? Sometimes they say money when I don't use for abroad. But I'm not done. Now they say money when they don't use for abroad. It better it big pass the one when you they use for Nigeria. Are you serious? Some people there abroad, money when they use for abroad, these people still they use money for Nigeria. You should have sense that person get money well. Yes, if they use money from abroad, you know they use for Nigeria, you not get money. If you they use money for abroad, you they live luxurious life for abroad, you still carry the luxurious life go Nigeria. Now you get money. If those people they talk, I don't say you they talk. I don't figure come meet person now. Person will say, love like I say, you say how many years when you don't stay for Nigeria? Wait till you don't achieve for Nigeria. I'll say nothing. I say for Europe, I achieve something for Europe. We go to say, my sister, some people they achieve for Europe, they achieve for Nigeria. If you say you they achieve for only Europe alone, you know they expand and go Nigeria. Not only Europe money you get, and it is not sufficient thing, for you to split the money go Africa. Any woman when they Europe, he still feed take off himself for Europe, do everything for Europe, ride car when you want ride, and buy house when you want buy clothes when you want buy the best shoe when you want buy, wear the best wig when you want wear the best clothes when you want wear. And the person will still tell you, say, for Nigeria, he still get. Now, those women, and they believe, say, yes, that they make money. You can, as I did now, and I'll tell you, say, I did Europe, I did buy hair, I did buy shoe, I did buy bag, I did go this one, I did go this one. Then the doctor say, what of Nigeria? I will say, I don't get anything. Even people who in Nigeria will say, sister, you don't get money. You don't get money. If you dey spend your money for Europe, you go still spend your money for Nigeria. Now 50-50. Now so some people take they live. Now 50-50. You know? I know that saying some people they shout sometimes. I'll say, wait till they shout for. Some people go they shout for just ordinary 2 million naira. You going? Yeah. Okay, see you. Take care of yourself, okay? You know? I understand some people. You go there Europe, why you come up for Nigeria? Not be make you come Europe, make you come achieve something for Europe. The same time, the something when you achieve for Europe, you'll still expand and go Nigeria. If you now let Europe, now you they do something. You know they do something, go Nigeria. I bet you are out of the game. You are out of the game. You just out of the game. You see most of okay. You see most of children when they born for Europe, They like Africa. They like Africa. They like building for Africa. They like houses. You know, they like houses for Africa. Are you serious? Now children not they look internet. Now children supposed to they look internet. No, I can't see where children. They'll say, I love to go Africa with my mom. Mommy, I want to be in that Africa. You know? Like my daughter, as my senior daughter, they talk. He said, Mommy, I need swimming pool. Now tell my daughter, say, not rich for swimming pool. Now my daughter can say, Mommy, I want that swimming pool. You know? Say he needs swimming pool. I said, money not rich for swimming pool. If God, everything don't do okay, we fit buy the big swimming pool. You know, we fit buy the big swimming pool for abroad. We fit go Nigeria, fix am. If you use and finish, you go pack and back. You know, and so you both take the do. Then person not fit tell me say I make a pass you for Europe. Okay, you make a pass me for Europe. Okay, but we go Nigeria side. For Nigeria side, you no get. When be say I get am for 50 for Europe. For Nigeria, I still get am for 50 for Nigeria. That is 100%. Now I run the package. Then for Nigeria, now only 50. For abroad, now only 50. That means I use 50 to pass you now. We must to be equal. Some women they abroad, even some men they abroad. Now 50-50. If he receive money, Nigeria, you go put on for corner. You know they see, okay, let's talk about some white people when we say they're not dead their country. Some of France people now, some dead this country. Some Italian people now, they're dead America. Did you know that most of them, they have house in America. They still have house in Italy. They can decide, say, if they don't old, they will go back to Italy. Now, so most of all those actors, actresses, all those people from Italy, they have house in America. They get for Italy. If you reach Italy, you go relax for a place. If you reach America, you go relax for a day. A day. If all these Chinese people when they Europe, then they get house for China. You are not confident tell us say, I know they make money, I know they carry anything go Nigeria. Now Europe, now wait till you get for Nigeria. My own for Europe, high pass your own. Wait, they say now they say currency. Now they use for Europe. Okay, let's go to Nigeria currency. When you go to Nigeria currency, now in euro, now you go sit exchange, to get your Nigeria currency. One person they do for two countries. If they do for Niger, if they do for Europe one day. The only you want you they do for Europe, you know they do for Niger, man, you not get money. You not get money because if that person when they do for Nigeria say the one when they do for Nigeria with the one when they do for Europe, may pack all of them together. The person still get money pass you. Did you know to split things? You put this one go here, you put this one go here, put this one go here. Just say this one here 25%, this one here 25%, split 25% into 100 into 4 places. Then each is going to give you 25%, 25 plus 25, that is 50%. Another one, 25 plus 25 again, that is 50%. You put them together, you have 100. Then you know, of course, Zuzu for me say you get past me. Really? Really? I don't understand. Some people they say that they ride car. You the ride car for Europe. Person they Europe, you know they ride car. Wait if the person they do for Nigeria, the money go buy the car for here. I don't understand. Hello. The other day I thought say now 6 million naira. Now they find now 6 million naira. That time when be say I get the 6 million naira. 6 million naira was 6,000 euro. Was 6,000 euro. You don't for put 6,000 euro. If I go where they buy car, I will see car buy for there 6,000 euro. So then that's if I hold that 6,000 euro, I want buy car of 4,000 euro. If I put that 6,000 euro down, they go give me the car. Then the remaining 4,000, they will fit tell me say okay, see how much you go they pay every month. Okay, can't they pay 130 every month? Can't they pay 150 50 every month. Before 3 years, I don't pay and finish. If people wey dey do something for Nigeria, my people, if una get money, it's like it's like you go for shopping now. As you go shopping, money when you take go shopping, e remain. Things when you wan buy, you don't buy and finish, e remain. When you dey do, until you carry the money come back home. Like yesterday now, I withdraw this thing comot for house. How much I withdraw comot for house yesterday? Like I say I withdraw almost 450. Now I withdraw yesterday. As I withdraw the 450 yesterday, I can't do 250. It can't remain 200. You see, it can't remain 200. Then as I don't reach Amsterdam, I don't see my cream buy. I can't buy the cream 25 euro, I'll be 24 euro. Okay. You see the money when I carry come out yesterday, when it can't remain, I can't use 200. Now I take 250 come out for inside 450, can't remain 200. That 200 I all basic can put for food. Now inside there I buy cream for inside there when children they use. You know, I buy cream, I buy my Tura soap. You see, then inside the 200, now 25 euro. Now follow me come house. 25 euro now follow me come house. Money for cream no dey because I pin that one different. Money for cream no dey. I can't pin that one different. You see, and I may also say yesterday now, now 200 euro now I use yesterday. 200 euros. But money for transport now never come out for inside. Money for transport now going and coming. If I run on sometimes, it dey reach almost 15 euro. Then later they'll come out for my account because now bank pass, now take enter bus. You see the remaining money now, the remaining 25 euro now, it there with me. You see, may I go bring my purse? No, no, say I won't be that. If you they do something for abroad, you know they get from Nigeria. Now, Mommy, remove that clothes inside that washing machine. Yeah, check. You know, see, you know, see, you know, go make that they lie. You see, now 25 euro, now it can't remain. You see, you see, now it can't remain. See, what I do, I don't carry a call house. Now it still be say, if you see it remain for abroad, the remaining one you carry and go house. Hi, how you day? You carry and go house. Now be abroad own. Now be say they do for only abroad. You know they do for Nigeria. That one a long story. That one a storyteller. Anybody when any live video presenter when you go talk say, now be only Monica don't talk this to you. I don't see another one when still talk this same talk. That talk no get sense. Monica, if you the reason are like that, no, you don't make sense for that one. The second person, if you see the reason are like that, you don't make sense for that one because others are one they talk so, You see us when we born children for Europe. If that time go reach, now Africa will they go past because that time our children they don't marry, you know. Our children they don't marry now. Sometimes we'll go they greet them because you don't know the area when your children go there. Like my children, I date with my children. Now maybe if they marry now, they not go date this area. They feel marry for another place. Maybe they feel even see husband. Maybe they feel go America. Their husband, they feel find husband. Now if it be America, if it be Italy, if it be France, you don't see. Maybe now once in a while, now go to the sea. But did that few time when we say you want to they stay alone, you will just not take go Africa. You will see people for there. Nice of women they do. Others one when call they talk story. That one a story. I know they believe. If you know that you cannot do it, no use until advice person. Advising people so say the money when I don't spend for Europe, the one when they spend for Nigeria. Now like because for Europe it remain. Now you see go spend for Nigeria. If you not see spend for Nigeria, that means say you not get money. Yes, you not get money. You not get money. Like you get one person, me with the talk for phone. I think how many days he call me now? He said, Mama, he said, thank you for your advice. So now say, I wait till I can't do it. He said, you see this house of matter when they talk, say build house, not they spend your money anyhow. I say yes. He said, he get land. The land he don't live on for dear. He said sometimes, if somebody not to motivate you You not gonna know say you get something when you go to motivate yourself. I say yes. There is a lot of people, they have land. They just do only, they just don't reach only foundation. They just come on for them. People, they say, I bet to build house too hard. I bet to build house too dey expensive. I bet to build house too dey expensive. Now, allow that person they deceive you. May you not go to do your own. That person got to say, Mama, since when you come to talk the matter, he said, he got to say, ha, this woman, I true you they talk, oh. He said, Mommy, if you tell that thing, go upstairs, may you come. I don't do how many boy. I know say she dey wait for me before she go quarrel. You know, I got to say, Mama, I like this thing when you tell them motivate also. He said money when you true, they balof put for inside person belly. If they chop the food finish, they will true abandon you waka. Now say yes, he say, he come they look me. He come to say, now true this woman they talk. Oh. He say now he come tell if people say, I beg, that in land. Don't I go there? He say you see the land safe. It don't grow. You don't grow cover this thing. He say he come when they go video and come. He come to say, now my land be this one. Now people cause you know they do anything for the land now. Now make them know they reach here because when you know they do something, they not go reach there. He say now so it go say money give them. He say they come. He come tell them say make they clean as they clean and I come ask say okay what did they want start to they do now? Now they come to say now block that they will the mold now. He say even the sand when they take do the this thing remain. He say grass can cover sand for ground. I go say yes, grass go cover now with gravel. He said now so he come ask now they come to say see how much they take they do everything. He come to say okay now so he take same money go give them. He said now so they take more block as a more block for you. He come to say wait till now one can do now. He come to say now to the Satan. He said Mama thank you very much. He said all those nyama. He said sometimes if you they follow saga. He said you not go remember do your things again. You go abandon things. I said some people they happen to them. They'll wake up in the morning. They don't go clean plate. They all wake up in the morning. The first thing what they will do, they all carry phone. Plate to go dead there. Their children pampers go they smell for inside house. Their children clothes go hip. Their children clothes go dead there. They go do and finish. They go pack and put for inside there. Then they carry the children go school. Children go dirty. Me. Before they go break, I must get something when I go do. If you see me for Facebook, you know say I don't already do work for house finish. You see, huh? Now the woman come to say, Mama, thank you very much, oh. He said the way when you tell explain about house, he said now so it be. He said as he reach meter side. He said come to say, Mama, true say, if you want lock house, or reach almost 1.something million to lock house. He said, Mama, he said everything when you they talk. He said, now this one, true. He said, now he come to say, this woman, she just a laugh for there. He said, this woman just a laugh for there. No what she they do. He said, now so he can't do one. As he said, as he do one, he can't live, he can't they gather. He said, Mama, he said, you know where, if he take roof the house, I say, he said, when money come there, he said, one day, say, 1,000 euro, he reach almost 1.something. He said he can get almost 1,800. He said, go tell them, say, go. He said, the way when you tell talk, I said, that's so they be. He said, before you go do your only wood they low, when you go put for house, he said, Mama, you no lie. You reach 2.something to put the wood they low. He said, now so he come to say, how you want to do this one now? He said, come to say, okay. And this money just there, yeah, now he don't know whether the money will still go down. I say, come to go say that 1,800. I be how much say it be say money come big. He come to say now, wow. He said now so people come to talk say, hey, try, may you just gather the money, may you take roof this house. He said now so he come do. He say now true everything when you they talk, Mama. He say now truth. He said before you know, he say he come still gather money. You know, because they cook, they use money, they throw away food, because they do this one. Because money just there. If they eat finish, they will carry the food, go throw away for dustbin. Because why? You feel say you get money when you they spend. He say he say, Mama, I don't follow you. Wait till you just they do now. So I just come to do one more. He say he not they keep food for inside freezer before. If you cook and for you pack and put for this, if you don't see spoil, you will go throw away. He say, Mama, if I tell you now, I don't roof my house. I say if I finish the house, he say, Mama, I go tell you, say thank you. You know, see, he said this money when he high, so he say he favor him. Now say now so. You will see some people that you will see some people that they say, not do this one, not do this one. More I don't mind them, my people. More I don't mind them. More don't mind them. Now failures. Now they advise people like that. Don't ever allow failure to advise you. If you they do for Europe, you see, you say, okay, now 1,000 euro now you get, you use 500 to do for Europe, or use 600 to do for Europe. You remain 400. My person, inside that 400, find the way when you take divide that into two places. 200 go help you. 200 go still help you for Nigeria. No, how they let people come they say, do it like this, do it like this. I can't. If old school when you get old house, if they talk to una, make una take am. Old school when you get old house, if they talk to una, make una they take am. Now you know how far. Old school go bring the house come out. They will say this house now so year like this now build am. Listen to that old school. He never fuck up, For the time when they enter, when they abroad, he never fuck up. Can't reach this time. He never fuck up. Did you know that there is some women when they Europe? Some of them get up to 2 to 3 houses for Nigeria. They get to let people come the online video come they deceive you now. If they deceive you now finish, tomorrow if another person come bring, they say leave on. You know whether na you? You say na you? Now the person you know. Now the person you because they will feel say because why you not come they brag. You know, you're not going to brag. You know, some people when they brag for Facebook, now you get money. You know they brag, you know get. You know. Now some of my people, may I live now. My daughter don't dey here before you go say, "Mommy is enough," right? Okay, see you guys. I want to start to do my daughter hair now. Bye bye.